Hello there, this is Eugene with Elite Furniture Moving. I'm a sales manager here, and today again I want to take a look at some couple of more properties. I'm looking at the Saba Court in Murrieta right now. It's a very nice one-story house, 3 bedroom, 1800 square feet. That's a perfect. I like this neighborhood. It's a perfect place for family of four. We got a garage in there, a big driveway, so if we're moving the place like that, we can park the truck just right at the garage and basically load everything from the garage. It's very convenient. It makes our life for our movers much easier and faster. Let's take a look what we got inside here. We got some furniture like couch, couple chairs. Uh, Pretty much is empty right now, but 1800 square feet. For this kind of move, I would recommend 3 movers and a truck, like 20 or 26 foot truck, you never know. We have a washer and dryer here, a big refrigerator side by side. So, yeah, 20 footer will be enough for this kind of move. In terms of time, it really depends if there will be another items here and we need to do the packing. It might take 3 to 4 hours, but with the 3 movers, it shouldn't take long. Our movers have all the tools. We can disassemble all the bed frames and assemble it back when they arrive. So yeah, my congratulations with this listing. It's a very nice place. So yeah, let's take a look at another one.